Good afternoon, profitable traders. Welcome to the market color session recap. Our focus is largely going to be on the DXY, GBP USD, and the Euro USD. It's just a recap of what was said and what we saw play out in the market. Weekly time frame, we've been targeting the left shoulder right here at 107.581. We want to see price retrace right back there and sell off that point. The daily time frame also, we're seeing structure to the upside. Coming down to the 4-hour time frame, we've seen price trade above this level, right? 99.234. And coming down to the 1-hour time frame, we even see more push to the upside. So we actually looked for entries on the much lower time frame, right? And we didn't really see one that was obvious. But there's one that has played out here. Shoulder sweep break, return, and we're seeing pushes to the upside. We had a buy bias for the DXY, and that's what we are seeing playing out right now. And coming down to the weekly time frame on Euro USD, we want to see price retrace right back into 1.06763 before buying. And on the daily time frame also, on the daily time frame, we're seeing structure more to the downside, and this retracement, price just retraced into this high, got there, did not break above it, it's just stalling off that level. And on the 4-hour time frame, let's see what price has for us. 4-hour time frame, we haven't seen more push to the downside. And we were actually looking out to see if price will take out this low right here, right? We've seen price trade below a bit, not with so much momentum. It's just been stalling off that point. We may even see more push to the downside on the 1-hour time frame also. It's been ranging, but more to the downside. So on the 15 minutes time frame, we actually we're looking at this point, shoulder at 1.15906 sweep to shoulder sweep to the upside, move to the downside, price tapped into this level, and we're seeing the sell play out. So all that we analyzed during the London market color session is what we're seeing right now. The weekly time frame for GBP USD, we want to see price retracing right back into 1.24930, shoulder sweep break, return right back into this left shoulder at 1.24930, and we want to keep buying GBP USD long term. And on the daily time frame, we haven't seen more push to the downside, right? Indicating that we should be looking out for sell opportunities. But on the 4-hour time frame, we actually saw price ranging so much during the London market color session, and we said we'll just be watching to see what the market does. It ranged for a period of time, and we saw this sweep to the downside. Right, it was ranging, but we were also aware that the range was to the downside. So seeing that this has happened, we just want to look out for entries in the market. There's the left shoulder at 1.31445, sweep right here. We've seen the break. What we want to see price do is for price to retrace right back into this left shoulder. And once that happens, I'm more than interested in selling GBP USD. Let's see what the 5 minutes time frame is saying. So pretty much our entries on the 15 minutes time frame, once price retraces into one spot 31445, we are more than interested in selling GU. So we want to short GU. Once we see price get to this left shoulder, here's our entry. Stop loss should be about 20 pips, right? And then take profit should be 40 pips thereabout. Targeting 1:2, right? So if you have questions at this point, please feel free to type in the chat box. If you have questions, if everything I've said don't make sense, do well to type in the chat box. Or if you have a different bias, a different outlook in the market, also do well to type in the chat box. And while you're doing that, trying to piece your thoughts together, registration for the FX Bootcamp training is currently ongoing. Training starts second week of December. To reserve your slot, send us a message on 081 6099 50 30. Again, the number to contact is 081 6099 50 30. If there are no questions at this point, we're going on a very short break, and then we'll be back for the second phase of today's analysis. With that being said, cheers and God bless.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the market color. We're excited to have you all here. We're going to be proceeding with the market color as we look at gold against the dollar, and then we're also going to look at the yen pairs for today. So looking at gold this morning, remember earlier today, we highlighted this fair value gap on the 4-hour time frame. We said we wanted to see if any shift in structure would happen on this level here, and then we would sell. But if we don't see, and then we're citing, I think this low was low we cited earlier this morning. There was no clear shift in structure. So we said we'll be looking out for 4-hour fair value gap right here. And we drew it out. We said if price trades into this fair value gap, we would want to see a reversal anywhere from here to the downside, most especially this level here. So I'm looking to sell gold when it starts giving me that confirmation for the sell, and I'll be marking out places like this as points of interest, because I would not just want to rush into gold trade. I would want to wait for it to mature properly before I execute the trade. So for gold today, this is what I'm looking out for on gold. Once it plays out, I will be executing my sell trade from here. Okay. So this is what I want to see on gold. Once it breaks this level here, I'll start selling it massively. And the reason why I like to get confirmations like this is because once I've fully confirmed it, I can confidently take swing trades all the way to the direction I had predicted earlier. So I'm much more interested in seeing gold make that break of this level right here before I take my sell. Even though I know, okay, I'm feeling more confident selling off from here, but I just want to see more confirmation before finally taking the trade, okay? So that is that on gold. We're looking for a sell to the downside from this level. And our bias still remains the same. Now for GBP JPY, just like we analyzed for the yen basket, we said it's in a clear downtrend and we just expect to keep selling it. So we expect to keep selling the yen basket or the yen, which results to just buying GBP, JPY and Euro JPY. Okay, so for GBP JPY earlier today, we said the place where it is not so good for us to take a buy from. It's like a very premium region. So we're waiting for a retracement. Once I see a proper retracement on GBP JPY, I'll be looking for a buy. So looking at this as the last clear swing that was formed, you can look at it on 1 hour time frame. So once the retracement starts, you can look at this as the last clear swing. Once you see price at discount, we'll be taking our buy to the upside. So I want to see price anywhere below 50% level, and I'll be taking my buy from there. So this is what I'm looking out for on GBP JPY. And then for Euro JPY, could see something like this, but it didn't really, price really didn't come into our entry point. If not, we would have even hit take profit. This is where we wanted to enter Euro JPY from, this exact place. Price kept testing it and testing it, but it didn't enter exactly where we wanted, which is quite sad because this would have been a very sweet trade. I mean, if you had this trade, you would have made about 60 pips of profit from here. So we were too exact with our entry. This is one of the things that happens in the market. When you set an entry and you're very exact with it, price will just go and trade somewhere very close and then move out from there. Like in this particular case, price traded into the fair value gap and then started buying from there onwards. So these kind of things happen. Like I said, we just test it and then move on to the next. So we'll keep watching these pairs. For Euro JPY, we are clear that it's a buy. For GBP JPY, we are also clear that it's a buy. We'll keep watching them to see good entries. Once they show up, we'll be executing the trade. So this is just the update we thought to bring to you this afternoon for the New York market color session. And I hope you have been trading cautiously all the while. Okay? All right, yes, just like David said, it says we move. I'm taking a comment, says we move and look for another opportunity. Certainly, more opportunities are going to come in. We'll just keep making sure we secure as much profits as we can when we get good trades, okay? All right, thank you very much, everyone, for joining today's market color. Until we meet again tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m. is the time GMT+1. Wish you good luck and good trading. Cheers and God bless, guys. See you tomorrow.